hang up the phone now.
That was the fastest phone call ever. Normally, he'll be like, oh, well, let me just look this up. And then like 4 hours later, he'll be going on eBay trying to find a part for somebody he doesn't even know.
So that's the gauge of if Tatro likes you.
Yeah.
If you have a short phone call, he does not like you.
Yeah, he does not like you at all if he has a short phone call with you. Or he just likes us a whole lot.
And he was ready to...
And he just wanted to get back. Or maybe he just hates us so much he wants this job done and us out of here.
That's more like it.
That's probably one.
That's probably it. That's it.
It's more like he probably doesn't mind the two over here, but he can't.
Yeah, no, he hates me. He absolutely hates me.
You're his worst son.
Yeah. There's 5 of us.
Might be useful.
Breaking my washer, and then he's going to charge me for that.
Yes, I am.
Double. Because of an emergency, it was urgent. It's double the price.
3 times off is enough for that one. Hey, Walker can save that for us.
You know what this is, right? It's a C-ring.
I was gonna say, I'm glad you edited it because I wasn't going to.
The C ring.
Yeah, it's a C-ring.
Custom part, YouTube.
Yeah, it's a custom part.
Just look up C rings.
Look up C-rings.
For-
You'll find them.
Throbbing pillars.
They're
Voracious man root.
no, they're for girthy main shafts.
Nice.
All right, so that's that, and then Daddy's over here getting me a new ring.
YouTube.
He's over here chuckling in the dark.
As he's known to do.
He just
You come in at like 3 in the morning and Tayshia's just in a dark corner chuckling.
like, look how out of shape that thing is now.
It fit perfect for your.
Mine's
main
out of shape
shaft.
too. My main shaft is oblong.
Guys, Tayshia's actually back here just slamming his head into the
Oh!
Just leave me alone. He comes back. Hey guys, what's up?
Look at this tranny. She's so filthy. Filthy tranny.
Just the odd moment on YouTube where it's just Walker whispering in someone's headphones.
It's, what is it, ASMR?
Yeah.
Oh my god, dude.
Oh.
I hated that.
Some
So
dude's gonna be like fully involved in this, and then just he has his headphones in. It's dark, and it's just like that, and he's gonna whip those headphones off at the screen, turn his computer off, and never turn it on again,
Simultaneously
Throw his
finish.
computer
and
up
then
and
finish.
So I can do the ones where people are like scratching stuff and doing all that, but the ones where it's the mouth where people like
I can't stand it.
gross,
I can't
dude.
stand it.
It hurts.
That's god awful.
How you doing over here, Tatro?
Yeah.
That's an ASMR right there.
Oh, brilliant! Look, it's not oblong either.
Is that the right one?
It's the proper C-ring. It looks like.
Is that the right one?
It looks right.
Who's gonna be on the Google?
These washers are
Where's the
missing.
C-ring?
2 of
I need
them.
a C-ring.
All right, so let's get those.
I had the C-ring. I just can't find it. I guess I just called Tasha directly.
Yeah, you can go ahead and give Tatro a call. He has all the C-rings you need. COVID.
Oh.
He loves it.
Nobody else's.
Stupidity is powerful, Taysha. It's a hell of a drug.
Endless. Yep.
There we go. Look at that.
Yeah, this one works better than that last one.
Look good.
$15.
Okay. I can't wait to watch this one on YouTube. I can't wait to see all the comments.
It'd be bad.
It's gonna be so
hate us so
bad.
much.
It's gonna be so bad. God, she's back.
It's never gonna make it.
What, his bike or the video?
It's gonna get banned before it even posted all the way.
We'll have to put it on a more explicit website, dude.
Yeah, you should get a Pornhub channel. OnlyFans. Yo, you'd probably make a buttload of money.
Patreon.
Yeah.
Seriously, on a serious level.
Yeah, if you did like
Got a
proper,
Patreon,
just like
get some
downloadables.
Oh, you're talking about Tatro?
Patreon?
What do you need?
On trash can. Pull that box out, pull some shit out I need. Give me one of those.
It doesn't
This?
know where
I don't
everything
give a
is.
fuck. Give me one of those.
Insane.
Yeah, he's gonna put a new one of those on mine.
New to you.
Well, as long as it works. Yeah, I don't remember this thing ever being on there.
Oh God.
That's why it wouldn't shift.
Right.
Yeah,
Piece of shit.
Might be.
Yeah, what a piece
we're
of
the
shift.
problem. Piece of shift. God. That was so bad.
That was all
Hey,
him.
man, don't let
That
him
was all
say-
Phil. That was all Phil. It was Phil.
What you need with this?
Put it back in the box.
Oh, we're not using that whole new one?
Come on, Carl.
New one to me?
That's $50 with the post right there.
For that big thing? If it works and it's better than mine, let's put it in there. I got $50 to burn on
Okay,
that.
whatever for the big thing.
Yeah, don't fucking put that big thing right in there.
$50 and just took off what I needed. The rest of it out of trash. Where's my bolt at? I need tools.
Oh, it's outside.
Good place for it. It's hard to work without tools. I don't know why. I think I still got my hammer. I can make do with that.
There we go.
It's hard to do it with a hammer though.
What are we doing now? You just recurving it?
You need a snap ring. This one was over tensioned by you.
Over tensioned by me.
That's right.
Job Walker.
Yeah, Walker.
I'm sorry. That's my new thing that I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just call you guys in the middle of the night.
No,
Yeah, for real.
Or I'm just gonna drop it in our
You already
group.
ruined Chris's sleep for the rest of his life. You didn't ruin mine.
I did?
Yeah,
How did I ruin Chris's sleep?
I forget. But
No, it was somebody else that did that.
He loses a
Like
lot
one,
of
yeah.
sleep.
Yeah, he
loses a
does.
lot of sleep. Yeah, that thing doesn't slide anymore.
Oh, look at that.
Amazing.
Is that good?
Yeah, maybe my shit'll work now.
I wouldn't say all that, but
Yeah, it's not that crazy.
So now you're done chasing after Dynaglides now? You want to go after your mates?
Yeah. Yeah, I smoked a Dyna.
oh yeah.
Mhm.
This bike-
Dude, he was
it does
pissed.
move. This
He
bike
was
does-
pissed.
Seen this bike in action. It does move.
Excuse me.
Yeah, so Phil, while we're babying around on our new engines, yeah, Walker does like 20 miles, and then from there he just hammers it.
Like it's supposed to, right, Tatro? Ain't that right? Ain't that right?
Sure.
Yep.
We were like cruising like 65 on the highway, and then, you know, I was on the Sportster, so I mean that thing moves. So I just looked over and was like, all right, and he just punches, dude. And I mean, I was going 90, and he was in front of me, moving on that Ironhead, man.
So sketchy. I love
No
it.
brakes at all.
Yeah.
shit,
A mechanical
shit
brake
brakes.
only
Yeah.
in the rear? That's
But
what I
it's crazy how much acceleration you have when you're in rolling, you know,
Hmm.
rolling fourth. Like you move. It's
It's
impressive.
wild. Like it's really is wild.
You can
It's
hear it,
those
like, it's
cams.
on the power band at a
Those
certain point.
those cams just kick in and it just rips, dude. It's so much fun.
Ooh.
Ooh. Oh, I'm gonna have a hand shifter now.
It's gonna be that screwdriver.
Yeah, screwdriver just sticking out.
Actually, something's not working.
No.
Weird.
It's shifting.
Supposed to go one more. Ooh,
Something fell out.
Some piece is out. I'm thinking that's not supposed to be broken.
Oh,
Let me drop that other piece.
That's what you get for racing, boys and girls. Slamming on it. It just fell out.
John, you guys are trying to stop me on this stuff.
Sabotaging.
You are. You got all kinds of shit you're doing here.
You remember a month ago when you brought this random part of the Tatros and threw it in that box? Well, it's failing. Here's another.
Like, what is this piece? Where did this even from?
I go into my little Heidi corner over here.
Lose my clip you're trying to step on.
What?
The one you're trying to lose.
Why would I try to lose that?
Oh, I know where it was at.
You threw it on the ground like an irresponsible father. So what are you doing now? Oh, you're using the chisel to bend those out?
I'm pretending to work. How's it working?
It's looking pretty authentic. Oh, this is when you know he's not messing around because he brings out the zipper.
Dang! When he put his hardtail on, dude.
Yeah, I know, it looks good.
Oh, did he put it in the group chat?
What?
Yeah, he did.
He just sent it to
Already
me.
finished his hardtail.
There's a lot of stuff that looks broken in here.
He's down there.
Spring.
Spring and spring.
Yeah, spring is spring. Here's the other one, Tatro.
Yeah, that piece right there. Jeez.
There's my clean rod. You stole it from me.
I stole it. Yeah, that's wild. That piece right there snapped.
Yes, this one's broken too.
Yep. So can't use that one.
What are you doing over there?
What the hell? These other ones look like trash.
I think it's a broken bit. Ah. So we're gonna cannibalize it?
2 to make 1. How those look?
I don't know. You tell me.
Beats me to assemble. That one looks good. Those look good.
Is that the shifter paw?
Yep.
Oh,
Shifter pal.
that's one of my
Pal.
favorite words. Paw.
Paul.
Yep.
Paul Wall.
Lift your paws. Pause.
I feel like I have to go to church now, so I'm out of here.
That's no good.
Why is this one no good?
It's yours.
No, this is an old one. This is a different one.
This one will work.
So what was wrong with this one?
Threads are too big.
Those are large threads.
Dude, Ernie killed it.
It looks pretty cool.
Dude, his bike
Let's
is
see.
gonna be sick, dude. I'm stoked for him. My man went from no bike to just like he's about to have his
Oh, dude, hell yeah. That looks awesome.
Yeah.
He's pumped.
because he's like a professional fabricator, right?
He won't look very small in it no more.
Yeah.
True, yeah. Is it stretched a little? Like 2
Yeah,
inches
it looks-
stretch?
It looks like
Yeah,
4 and
Super
4.
stress, yeah.
He needed some.
Yeah.
He's not the slenderest of men.
No. Definitely not.
You think it'll flex?
Nah.
He's pretty portly, man.
Yeah, but he's really good at fabrication.
Yeah, but he's not like certified or anything.
Like our boy
Every
Tatro.
inch of weld holds 75 pounds. You just cut that in half for his welds, you know.
Oof.
He's laying boogers, not dropping dimes. He ain't no Tommy Tio.
Yeah.
Yo, Tio was dropping mad dimes on that
I'm telling
on
you,
mics.
Tommy's a really good welder, man.
Yeah, he
Yeah,
is.
he
He is.
He kills aluminum too. He's really good at aluminum.
Really?
He's very good at aluminum.
You know who's a wizard at stainless though?
Who?
Cliff.
Oh yeah, Cliff. Yeah, Cliff is sick. I've seen him do like weaves.
Oh.
His weave is amazing, dude.
It's a meowsy.
welds, dude.
It's a
You ever
meowsy.
follow like a weld porn?
Yep.
On Instagram. Some of those.
Homie back east drops the most beautiful welds.
I love beautiful, like for real, beautiful welds. Just makes
Yeah,
me so happy,
oh, dude.
Satisfying.
Yeah.
It's F.
Just look at like something like custom and just.
Is it gonna work?
I don't know.
Jesus.
Is it shifted yet?
Well, we'll find out, won't we?
Definitely different.
Yeah.
The small one, the big one for you.
Who's dying back? Oh, is old boy still back there?
Yeah.
What are you doing back here?
Killing himself.
Sounds like it.
So this is a heavy duty one, I guess.
Well, that's good.
Why did it break?
What? Well, the other one broke because it wasn't heavy duty, apparently.
And this one broke because it was heavy duty. So that one goes down, and this one goes down. Goes down there.
You'll never forget the noise of the great fireball of 2016.
These work?
We were out here working. I think he was honing my cylinders, and we opened up the oven back there,
The snap ring out.
and there's one right here. And I look up and I just see this fireball go out the back over there. It's because you left some combustibles on top of the 800-degree oven.
And they blew up.
And they opened, and it just blew up. Like, you go back there, you'll see like there's splatters of whatever that
Don't be
that
implicating my man on
chemical-
a crime right now, dude.
I know, right?
Yeah, it's all good. Everybody, you can look. It's been archived.
Archives.
Archived.
Archives.
Hey, stop making fun of me.
It's archived.
It's archivered. My voice
Hey,
isn't
don't
working
worry, dude.
right.
It's sour cream and archives.
Yeah. Sour cream and archive. I want a mashed potato with sour cream and archives.
Archives. Delicious.
How's that one looking?
It's almost complete now.
No, thank
Ooh.
Oh, I like that.
That sounded good. Crispy. Beautiful blue hue. I can feel it down in my plums. If you guys can guess what TV show I'm quoting, I'll give you a sticker pack and a T-shirt. I'll buy it and send it to you. Can feel you deep in my plums.
Smacked him.
I thought you were offering me a sticker pack. I want that fair and square.
No,
Give
not
it.
you. It's for the YouTubers.
Dude, this video's getting flagged and taken down immediately. I don't know what you're talking about.
Shit, you're never gonna make it.
You get 10 Tatro points.
Yeah, you get
If we edit out the trash, won't be anything left.
yeah
For real.
See, where's your bolt at?
right over there.
Oh.
Zippity zip. Think it'll work now?
I don't know, does it?
I don't know.
Stick the screwdriver in and jammer. Oh yeah.
Cool. That's
Yeah.
oh fuck yeah! Shift me, daddy. Shift me.
Yeah, it's definitely.
I'm ready to shift.
So you're making it to the market, my dog.
Get this trash out of here.
Some of those parts are still usable.
Chopper swapper.
All right, chopper swappers. We got this thing right here for $350.
Touched by Tatro, so $450.
$450. It's custom patina, so it's $550.
Come walk in and see that tank in the back there.
We saw the tank,
Which one?
the one you're talking
The
about.
one you dissolve bodies in? I don't think he saw that one yet. He will.
At the end.
Who's riding the...
Steering on his new chopper, dude.
Is it?
No.
I wish.
You know, the tank back there on the panhead. surprised you guys didn't see it yet.
Well, go have a look at it.
All right, where do you leave off?
Now, what gear is this?
This one here?
Yeah.
It's the third one in line, so it's second.
Okay. And it's good?
Enough for you.
No, I want it to work for a long time.
I have to clarify a long time.
More than a year?
Oh, that's just short term for you. How about the chewed up bushings here?
Might need a new one.
Do you think those are bad?
I think they're extremely bad.
Where's your new one at?
It's in the bushing drawer.
How about this one?
No, that one looks a little better.
A little. Put that in low gear. That might be a big spender.
Big spender.
Oh, shit. I'd like to see that big spender. I don't think I have any more bushings. That's my bushing compartment. Still trying to figure out you need your lost washers.
All right.